Well, we have come a long way. We've accomplished a lot, and we have formed the first ever public multi-county, multi-entity regional business park in central Kentucky.
A year out, probably our biggest accomplishment up to this point is to have an actual interlocal agreement that was signed by all 4 governmental entities.
We never maybe thought or planned how fast it would actually move forward.
We've been able to establish our Central Kentucky Business Park Authority Board. Having that established, having them set up and get moving was a huge accomplishment.
That it's functioning, they're operating and acting independently with the help of the governments and the consultants that we're working with.
They've brought a lot to the table with a lot of knowledge, and there's not been too much of a learning curve for them.
We've actually gotten some options on some land that we never thought would transpire that fast.
We were quick on our feet. We've been able to add potential land to this opportunity, which you got to strike while the iron's hot, and we've certainly done that, I think.
There are 2 sites that are excellently positioned for Kentucky Product Development Initiative funding, and this group is full steam ahead to make this region the best it can be through 2 quite different sites, but both excellent ones.
It takes a lot of work. You know, there's a lot of legal work that has to happen. There's due diligence at the site, those kinds of things that need to be accomplished before we can ever put a shovel in the ground.
It's so important to have great relationships, and working with our federal and state level elected leadership, we've been working very hard to try to get support from those levels.
When working together, what the counties can do is 3 times the impact that one county would have on its own.
I think what we've learned more than anything is that we can do this. When you try to get 4 governmental entities together working toward a common goal, that's a pretty huge lift.
When we get out of our silos and we really come together, it benefits us all.
Businesses don't care about county lines or city limits. They want a spot that is close to interstate, that has good workforce, and checks the boxes for their company and their needs.
Well, I think as elected leaders, we have a responsibility to provide services and the very best services that we can for our citizens.
The wonderful thing about this is it will bring jobs.
And for the local governments, it's shared revenue that benefits the taxpayers.
They had the vision and the power of execution to bring that project to life.
If anything, what this group has done is solidified a long-term partnership to be able to provide resources, funding, and just a long-term vision for economic development, which should last for generations to come.
We will be able in the future to work closely together on other projects and other collaborations that may transcend and go beyond economic developments.
So we've accomplished a lot. We're continuing to work together on it, and we still like each other.